Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Nadra from Working Girl Cooks. How are you? Hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah. Guys, today I am going to share the method that I use to clean and devein a vein. Guys, nowadays the tradition of eating organ meats are slightly fallen out of favor, and one of the reason is people don't know how to clean and devein them. As brain is considered a very delicate organ and need to be cleaned and deveined properly to get nutrient value of it. It's a high source of omega-3 fatty acid. Brain is good for our health, but here I will say high intake of any food is not good and need to limit their consumption. Most of the time people boil it in turmeric water and then clean it. But in this way we overcook the brain, and during cleaning process brain gets damaged as well. Guys, today I will show you how to clean and devein the brain in an easiest way. And guys, here you can see I took a goat's brain. It's very delicate and small and need to handle very gently. To open its layer and pull the veins out, usually we tear it in 3 parts to put it on our pan to clean properly. So let's start cleaning. First thing first, I will take water. It's a simple tap water. Here I didn't add anything, no turmeric powder or lime juice or vinegar. And guys, here is the secret thing, ice. Yes guys, I will add ice in the water to make it chilled. Now it's a time to take the brain out from the case. And guys, here I will take it out very gently. You can see the tiny veins and there is a skin on the brain. We have to rupture the brain to pull the veins out. It's not an easy task. If I will do it, I will damage the brain. So simply I will dip the brain in chilled water. I will leave the brain in chilled water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I will start cleaning. And guys, the reason to put the brain in chilled water is to chill the brain. Then skin and veins will come out easily without damaging the brain. So I will see you after 15 minutes. 15 minutes gone and see, brain is chilled and ready to be cleaned. So let's start. Simply I will put it on my pan and start pulling the skin. Guys, use your left hand thumb to press it down and try to pull the skin and veins out with the 2 fingers of right hand. And guys, you can see I'm just using my hands. With one hand I'm just opening the layers and from the other hand I'm just picking up the drain and pull it out. So it's easy. It's time taking, but it's easy. In this way I will clean rest of the brain pieces. And it's a very small delicate piece of meat. During cleaning it will breaks in the pieces. Don't worry, because when we cook we dice the brain. We never ever cook the full brain. So don't worry if it breaks in the pieces. And here I will say something for baby dolls. Baby dolls, if you are scared to handle this tiny piece of meat, so you can do experiment on cows or buffalo's brain, because their brain size are bigger as compared to goat meat. But just keep the technique same. Dip them in chilled icy water and after that clean it. So you will be surprised to see how easily you cleaned and deveined the brain. Now see, brain is nicely clean and deveined. And just keep checking. During checking, if you find any vein or skin, just simply pull it out. Guys, this is the first part of cleaning. The second part of cleaning is to drain blood from the brain, because you can see that blood is still coming out from the brain. So this is the time to drain blood and wash the brain properly. For this, I will simply dip the brain in clean water and rinse it till water gets clear. Guys, here I would say you might have to change the water at least 3 to 4 times until you doesn't see clear water. And guys, usually we boil brain before cooking, so don't worry about the extra liquids, or no need to squeeze it when you take it out from the water. Just gently pick the brain up and put it on a plate, and just extra water, if you can drain it, otherwise leave it. Don't worry about the extra water. Now guys, you can see how easily I clean and deveined the brain. It's a bit messy, especially for baby doll. They will say it's messy. No doubt it's messy. But in this way, we save the nutritious value of the brain. Because when we boil the brain to clean and then we cook, that means we cook the brain 2 times. In this way, brain loses its all nutritious value. I hope you will agree with me and you will try this technique. If you try this technique, please give me feedback. I will bring more useful tips for you. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.